Hello trader, if this is your first time of seeing my video, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video you can easily see it. Alright, today I'm going to be teaching you on how to use the TradingView on the phone version. So if you're a complete beginner or you are already trading and you don't know how to use this, just watch this video to the end and you'll learn how to use this. So first and foremost, if you don't have this, if you don't have the trading view, you go to your mobile store, that is your Apple store or Google store, to download the trading view. Then after downloading, the first thing you have to do is to register with your email. You register with your email. Already I've already registered with my email. So you register so that you sign in with your email. So for me, I've done that. All right. Then when you open the interface, we have watch list, charts, explore, community menu. So um TradingView has both paid and free version. So the paid version has more features than the free version. So but you can still use the free version to do whatever you want to do. So um looking at this, this is where all the watch lists that you have saved will be displaying. All the pairs that you have been trading or you want to trade, this is where it's going to display, which is here. This is my watch list. These are already symbols that I've saved. Yes, they already symbols that I've saved. You can add more. Can add more. But because I'm in free version, I cannot add. So you can save as many. Now we move to this, the tools bar. Here we have the drawing, we have the drawing bars, measure, zoom in, eraser, lock, and magnet. So this is for zooming and this is for when you just measuring the pips value from the stance of here to here. If you want to know the pip value, and that is work of that measure bar. Then still on this, if you want to favorite your tools, you come over here. Once you open the tools bar, we have the trend line. For example, I want to favorite any of this. What you need to do, just press and hold, then you press add to favorite. If I, this has been added to my favorite tools. So we have a lot of tools bar here. We have the trend line, the we have them, we have the Gann and Fibonacci, and this is for the Fibonacci retracement, everything. Then we have the pattern, the forecasting and measurement tools. That is the long shots forecast bars pattern goes projection, geometric shapes. This is used for drawing shapes. We have the rectangle shapes. We have triangle shape. If you want to draw curve, pick this now. This curve. Want to draw curve. So you just have to take your time to know some of these tools. You just take your time to know them. images, samples, table, and lots more. So we move down to, well, this, then the emojis. This is for visual, stickers, icons. Then if you want to write something, you pick the text. Then you can type. If you want to make a correction, you just double tap on it. Text. You can also write here. Bold, everything. Then one more important thing, if you want to make changes, if you want to do settings, like for example, you want to set your, if you look at this candlesticks, the color of the candlesticks, you can set the color of candlesticks from here. What you need to do is just simply double tap on the candlestick. Then here we have body, border, wick. So just here, go there, change the color. You can change the color of the body, the border, and the wick. I don't want to change mine, but I'm just want to show you. So you can change any of these, change the border and everything, and you press OK. It's going to change this. This is going to change. Then we have if you want to change the theme, like make it a dark mode, you can change it to a dark mode. Change to a dark mode. The interface to a dark mode. So if you want to change to dark mode, you can do that. Keep screen on. You can choose this. The charts. You can toggle this on. If you want to remember the last open chart on this device, you click the toggle this. Hide the tab bar. You toggle this. You can also change the language. Yeah, it's in English. You can change to any language of choice. Then this, all these things that display here, all these things that display here is your favorite tools bar. Once you place your favorite tools bar, they are going to appear on the screen for you to be able to use it at any time. So you can move this, you can move it. So then right here, this is where you change your data range, interval, um, minutes, days, hours. That's the time frame of the charts. The data range 1 day ago to show you the data for 1 day ago. Then we have the time frame 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, as the case may be. Weekly, as the case may be. Then one more thing, if you want to set alarm, you can easily save your analysis or change it like this. You can change the layout. You can change the layout. Yeah, you can change the layout. Then the indicators can show you the indicators, technical indicators. Once you just click here, see the indicators. If you can see different indicators, 24 hours, volume, accumulation, distribution, strategy, a lot of them. But I'm not going to this. So you can see the all the indicators, strategies, the different strategies you can use, profile, patterns. So yeah, to stay on this, you can set alerts, but this is when you're already on the premium. You can use alert when you've registered for the premium. You can't do that without on a free version. Then you have the bar play. The same thing with the bar play. You cannot use the bar play without if you have not you need the premium version for you to be able to use the bar play. That is to record the price back. Then we have the indicator template, chart type, and rest of them. Then you toggle this auto save so that whenever you after making your analysis, it will automatically save. Then here you can open a new you can open an a new page for analysis. Then here we have you can name you can rename the with your name. You can rename the charts. You can rename it, and you can save it. You can also share. You can share. This is where you share your charts. Maybe you want to share it to your Telegram. You can just come over here, click share, open a link. You just click here now. You can share this to your friend. You can share your analysis to your friend or to your Telegram. So um, this is for undo. If you want to undo previous action. Then this, if you want to reset the price, then auto fit data to screen. If you want to auto fit the data to the screen. More settings. So over here you can do a lot of settings. Currency and unit, disable tab, always visible. So you just need to um take your time and look at all this. Then this is for here you can read top news and sentimental news. Even economic calendar. We also have economic calendar here. You can as well from here know what is happening. Know what is happening. We have EC news, we have news, calendar, important news calendar. Then you can connect your broker. You can connect your broker. direct you to your trading view from there. Then here you can see a community of traders, and you can follow them or something. So um that is it. That is it all for today. So if you have any problem, you can ask question on the comment section, and I'll be ready to answer you. Thank you.